This past week here, we've been doing a lot of tillage for getting corn ground ready. It's we've had frost almost every night, but last night was the first night we haven't, so we're gonna try to get some corn planted probably Monday. And right now we're just doing some tillage work with the disc chisel. So it's working up pretty good. We had everything dug once already. Now we're coming back through again, and then we'll hit it with a soil finisher, and then we'll be ready to plant. All of our corn gets planted into sod, so it works up pretty hard usually, but we're getting it. So we picked rock earlier this week, and I've spent a lot of time staring at through the windshield of a tractor this week, just doing tillage work. But cows are on pasture 100% besides a little bit of grain, so that makes chores a lot easier, a lot less manure to spread, and no feed to mix, so that's going pretty well. We finally are going to get some warm weather next week. We're still really dry. We did get some rain 2 weeks ago about now, and it's kind of dreary today. Got a couple sprinkles, but you can almost count them, so I think they're calling for more rain the end of next week, and that'll really help a lot, especially if I can get some corn in the ground and get it out of the seed bags. We buy the corn to plant it, not to store it in the shed. So we're gonna get it in the ground, and hopefully it comes up pretty quick. The soil's working up real nice. That's one positive of having drier weather. But other than that, we'll hopefully get some rain and get the seeds in the ground. When I was bringing sand in, I drove over with the skid steer, or not over, but got one of the wheels on it, and they obviously can't handle the weight of a skid steer. They can handle the weight of a cow, so it's got kind of a U in it. So we got our BFM, our big maul, and we're gonna give her a couple taps here, hopefully, to get that U shape out of it. You can see there. See how strong I am today. There we go. That's better. Okay, so we've got these gutter grates in the barn here, and a couple of them, they're getting rusted off. And what happens, the cows will step on them and they'll fall down in the gutter like that. It's because the tabs on the backside are breaking off, and they're rusted off actually. So we've got to weld new tabs on them. Otherwise, when we turn on the barn cleaner, the grates are getting caught in the cleaner if we forget to grab them. So we bought a piece of angle iron for $5, and I just cut right around 2-inch sections, and we're gonna weld them on where the tabs are rusted off. So this is what they're supposed to look like, and this is what they do look like. So we're just gonna throw them under there and throw a little weld on them, and that'll make it so that they're a lot stronger. Alright, so this is what they look like when they're done. And you can just see my crappy welds here. I'm not a professional, but they work okay, I guess. Should hold up for not cleaning up too much. We'll go grab the next one and get that one fixed. Set that back on there. It's kind of a dirty job. There, that's good. Now it's nice and solid. Here we go. Throw the last one on there and we'll be all set till we destroy the next one. All right, Russ out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below. And that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.